I want to welcome you to technology world. In our world, technology is almost everything. And we discover in Nigeria we are very much behind the rest of the world technologically, and that is why we tend to encourage you to develop, your intellect to think creatively, to innovate, and bring out certain things that can solve problems. In our today's world, technology is about everything. But we discovered the foundation was not only there in our country, it was not laid on students to be able to develop machines that can do certain work. So this is why this thing is very important for us to learn, to apply the scientific principles, to create, to innovate and invent things that will solve problems in our world. Today I have a very fine card before me which you have developed. So I want to ask you a few questions and you will have to answer some questions about the technology before me. So we'll ask one of you to explain. Yes. Yes. Yes.
My name is Victor, and right before me is a remote control.
Louder.
Okay, right before me is a remote control card. It's made of local material, PVC, from PVC pipes. So
from PVC pipe.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Then it's controlled with transmitter and receiver, powered by tri-cells.
So that's a transmitter.
Yes.
That is there. Yeah. And can you just look at the transmitter? It has pole and the receiver. This one is a receiver.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
A lot of people like that's so electromagnetic motor and other functioning parts.
Did you say it is made of local materials? Yes. And this is what is local material. Okay, this use this thing to make this. Okay, that's right. So it's actually made of local material. It has local contents. That's the meaning. Right. Now, what? Okay.
And it's based on recycling. These stuff are wasted anyhow. So just to pick it, recycle them and return to anything.
That's wonderful. Now we're trying to recycle waste today. So this thing is waste. In a way of recycling it, is going to make this motor, this car. So it is using waste that have been thrown away, recycle into something that can solve problem. Wonderful. That's good. That's good. So does it have lights?
Yes.
Okay, can I see the light? You can see the light. Just look at the light. It has the back light and the front light. Can you see the front light?
Yes.
Yes. So it has what the back light. I can see the back light there. It has back light. Beautiful light. Sweet. This is sweet technology. It can be used in the night. Is that right? That's good. That's good. That's good. Now, what feature does it have again? It can move. Right? Somebody's going to just turn around and see. Let's see how it moves. Right? A little. Okay. You can move. That's it. You can see this is controlled from here. Can I see this is the remote control. You can see the remote control here. And again, it uses battery. It's actually using what? Right battery, which is a cleaner energy. So now today we are looking for how to use cleaner energy to develop machines. We don't need the fuel, the diesel anymore. We need something cleaner to help us avoid the problem of global warming. So the remote uses what? Cleaner energy. So now let's see how it is controlled. The bell can move, remote control, can it reverse? That's good. That's good. That's good. Can the light be on and why it moves? That's good. That's the vehicle. It is moving. This is technology par excellence. People want to do. It can turn. It can move. This one you can stay, maybe in Nigeria and control it in US. Is that right? And this thing can take like up to 50 meters. You can understand the computer and control the machine. So it's controlled. This is beautiful. Now let me ask a question. Now, what gives you the inspiration to make this machine? Look at that. The answer.
What is realize that car is more expensive in Nigeria, as Nigeria spends a lot of resources importing expensive cars or foreign use because of the dependency. But we've been able to come up with a car which uses dry cell batteries other than petrol. From the research I made, I have found that most people are complaining of the high cost of petrol in Nigeria. So I hope this will be able to compensate with the level of high cost of petrol in Nigeria, so as to improve the standard of living in Nigeria.
Good. Okay.
Petrol is a wasting asset. It may one day finish. So this battery can easily make it and use it. But petrol one day
replenish. Can be replenished. That one day can recycle. That the energy you can get it back. Our petrol fuel would finish one day. That's why the world is moving toward cleaner energy that does not destroy the ozone layer and pose climate problem to us. You know, we have a lot of heat these days because the ozone layer is tempered with by the problem of carbon dioxide emission into the atmosphere and burning this forest. So right now, if you use this replenished energy, that energy can be replenished, you know, like all of this solar or the battery, it can actually work for us to help clean up our environment, our atmosphere, and help secure life on planet Earth. This is awesome. Do you have anything to add to this to improve on this technology? Is there anything you can suggest that can help us improve on this technology?
Yes.
Yes.
I suggest we give it
A name. What's the name? What name should we give this?
I don't give it.
What name can you suggest we give to this technology? Eh? Eh? Yeah, this thing has lights. It has light. You can see the lights there. It can be used in the night. Now, this is a prototype. We're going to improve on it every time to develop better one out of this. Is that right? So now I am asking you, is there anything you can do? What can we add to this to make this technology better? So in the next edition, we have something better to present. Yes, has anybody anything to say?
can make this door movable.
The door can be movable, can open. There's one we designed this by student. The door can open on its own and close on its own. And it was wonderful. And that was wonderful. So the door can open and can close. And next time you do, you will have to have a driver inside. And there should be steering and driver inside. But one of us should enter and drive it. That will be wonderful. Excellent piece of your presentation. And I believe that with this in place, Nigeria will be a better place. Our living society will not be wasted on one things. Wasted on importing cars, importing virtually everything. So with technology in place, we can actually be a better country. We can compete with all nations of this world. That's why this culture must develop in you, the culture of creativity and innovation. You know, kind of using the same principle to develop, to innovate things that can solve problems. Thank you so very much for this piece of presentation. I trust we will do more in the next edition. Thank you just